What if you could reverse the signs of aging from the inside out? No expensive creams or treatments needed. In today's video, I'll show you 10 powerful foods that boost your collagen naturally, helping you look and feel younger without the high costs. These foods are backed by science and will not only fight wrinkles, but also support your joints, bones, and overall vitality. Stick around, because this is the anti-aging hack you've been waiting for. Before we get to the list, if you love your grandchildren, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's dive in. Food number 10, beets. First up, let's talk about beets. You've probably seen that vibrant red color stain your cutting board. Well, it's more than just a splash of color. That deep pigment is packed with betationins, antioxidants that fight off the free radicals responsible for speeding up skin aging. Think of these antioxidants as your skin's personal bodyguard, keeping collagen strong and protected. But that's just the beginning. Beets also boost blood flow, meaning more nutrients and oxygen reach your skin cells. The result? Skin that can produce collagen more effectively, leading to that natural, healthy glow. And since they're loaded with vitamin C, an essential for collagen production, beets help to directly boost the skin's strength and elasticity. Want to enjoy them? Roast them for a sweet treat. Blend them into a juice or toss them in a fresh salad for that collagen-boosting power. Your skin will thank you. Food number 9, carrots. Next on our list, carrots. You know them for supporting your vision, but did you know they're also incredible for your skin? Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, the same retinol you see in many anti-aging serums. When you eat them, this vitamin A goes to work, helping your skin stay firm, reducing wrinkles, and boosting collagen production. Carrots are a true triple threat, working alongside vitamins C and E to protect against UV damage and oxidative stress. Science has shown that carotenoids in carrots improve skin elasticity, meaning smoother skin with fewer fine lines. Eating carrots couldn't be easier. Snack on them raw, toss them into soups, or juice them for an antioxidant-packed drink. It's that simple, and it works wonders for your skin. Food number 8, daikon, Japanese radish. Have you ever tried daikon, the long white radish common in Japanese or Korean cuisine? This humble root is a hidden gem in the anti-aging world. Packed with vitamin C, daikon gives your skin exactly what it needs to produce collagen and reduce the signs of aging. Without vitamin C, your collagen production slows, leading to wrinkles and sagging. Daikon also helps protect your skin from oxidative damage thanks to its phytonutrients. And let's not forget, its high water content helps keep your skin hydrated and plump. The more hydrated your skin, the younger it looks. It's a win-win. You can grate it fresh over your meals, add it to soups, or even enjoy it pickled. It's a refreshing, easy way to fight aging. Food number 7, garlic. I know, garlic is an essential ingredient in many of our favorite dishes. But did you know it's a powerhouse for anti-aging? Garlic contains sulfur compounds, particularly allicin, which are essential for collagen cross-linking, the process that keeps collagen fibers strong and flexible. This helps prevent sagging skin and wrinkles. Garlic also packs a punch when it comes to protecting your skin from UV damage, reducing inflammation, and improving blood circulation. More oxygen and nutrients reach your skin, helping it repair and regenerate. To reap its full benefits, try using garlic raw for maximum potency, or gently sauté it to add flavor to your meals. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your skin youthful. Food number 6, ginger. Next up, let's talk about ginger. Beyond its reputation as a digestive aid, ginger is a secret weapon against aging. Its active compounds, gingerols and shogols, are potent antioxidants protecting your skin from free radical damage that accelerates aging. But ginger does more than just protect. It actively fights inflammation, which is one of the biggest culprits behind aging. By keeping inflammation in check, ginger helps to reduce wrinkles and keep your skin youthful. Plus, it supports joint health, digestion, and immune function, all crucial to maintaining your vitality. Ginger is super easy to incorporate into your diet. Brew it into tea, toss it in stir-fries, or blend it into smoothies for an anti-aging boost. Food number 5, leeks. Leeks might not always get the love they deserve, but these are anti-aging superheroes. Rich in vitamin C and synthol, a flavonoid, leeks support collagen production and protect against oxidative damage. They also help reduce inflammation, a key factor in keeping your skin smooth and vibrant. The best part? Leeks are packed with fiber, which helps balance your gut microbiome. A healthy gut is directly linked to healthier skin. A balanced gut means less inflammation and better nutrient absorption, which is crucial for radiant, youthful skin. Add leeks to soups, sauté them for a mild flavor, or toss them in stews for a boost of nutrients. Simple and effective. Food number 4, onions. Onions may seem like a simple kitchen staple, but they're packed with quercetin, a flavonoid that protects collagen from oxidative stress. Alongside vitamin C, quercetin works overtime to keep your skin firm and youthful. But onions do more than protect. Their anti-inflammatory properties reduce puffiness and calm the skin, helping to slow down wrinkle formation. Plus, they improve circulation, ensuring more oxygen and nutrients reach your skin, giving it that healthy, radiant glow. Try onions raw in salads for a burst of antioxidants, or caramelized for a naturally sweet flavor in your favorite dishes. Either way, you're helping to fight aging from the inside out. Food number 3, potatoes. Potatoes, often thought of as comfort food, can also help support collagen production. White potatoes are rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient for collagen synthesis. Without it, your skin would lose its structure, leading to sagging and wrinkles. But it doesn't stop there. Colored potatoes, such as purple and red varieties, contain anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect collagen from free radical damage and reduce skin inflammation. These colorful spuds also help protect against UV-induced skin damage, a major cause of premature aging. Baked, mashed, or roasted, potatoes are a delicious way to support your skin and maintain that youthful glow. Food number 2, radishes. Radishes are more than just a crunchy snack. They're a collagen-boosting powerhouse. Packed with vitamin C, radishes support collagen production, keeping your skin firm and smooth. Their antioxidants help protect against oxidative stress, which accelerates aging. But radishes do more than fight wrinkles. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce chronic inflammation, slowing the aging process. Plus, they're loaded with water, helping to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Radishes are perfect fresh in salads, pickled for a probiotic boost, or lightly stir-fried for a warm, healthy side dish. Food number 1, turnips. Turnips are often overlooked, but they're packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that are crucial for collagen production. By supporting collagen synthesis, turnips help keep your skin firm and prevent wrinkles. They also reduce oxidative stress and protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Along with vitamin C, turnips contain anti-inflammatory nutrients that help maintain smooth, youthful skin. Plus, their high fiber content supports gut health, which has a direct impact on your skin's appearance. Incorporate turnips into soups, roast them for flavor, or add them to stews for extra nourishment. Simple yet effective. So, there you have it. 10 everyday foods that can help you fight aging, protect your collagen, and keep your skin firm, youthful, and glowing. Whether it's the antioxidant-rich beets or the collagen-boosting garlic, each of these foods works together to not only reduce wrinkles, but also promote overall health, from stronger joints to better bone vitality. The key takeaway here is that your skin's health and appearance are deeply connected to what you put inside your body. It's not just about creams or serums. True beauty comes from the inside out. Remember, consistency is the secret. If you start incorporating these collagen-boosting foods into your daily meals, you'll notice gradual yet significant changes over time. Your skin will feel smoother, more hydrated, and you'll have a natural radiance that shines from within. But it's not just about looking younger, it's about feeling more vibrant and energetic in every part of your life. And here's a little bonus tip. Collagen isn't just about your skin. It plays a vital role in supporting your joints, bones, and muscles, keeping you strong and flexible as you age. That's why it's important to focus on collagen from all angles: your diet, your lifestyle, and your overall health. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know how you're going to incorporate them into your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with anyone who's looking to improve their skin health naturally. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Health Supplied for more tips and tricks on living younger, healthier, and stronger. Thanks for watching, and remember, true beauty starts from within. Keep glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.